To fix cannot open notification panel by swiping down anywhere on your home screen in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra. First, you have to make sure that the swipe down notification panel feature is enabled. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find home screen. Tap home screen. Scroll down the screen and then tap the gray on option next to swipe down for notification panel to enable this option. The switch turns blue when it's on. Go back to your home screen. Now you should be able to access the notification panel by swiping down your finger anywhere on the screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.